Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today I am very excited to be doing another unboxing from 7 Great with you guys. If you guys are familiar with my channel, you remember in November 2023, 7 Great reached out and asked if I'd be willing to do an unboxing of their products, and once again, they have reached out again, and I said yes. So I am very excited to share with you what I got this time. I did very intentionally choose my knot project piece. So I did want to try this. This is a different kind of frame. And if you look, it's kind of a roll frame. So I'm very curious to see how this works. Is it... I don't always have dexterity issues, but I do have a hard time holding things for extended periods of time. So I was hoping something like this might make holding the cross stitch project just a little bit easier. I am still working on my gingerbread man that I shared with you guys during Vlogmas 2023. So updates will be forthcoming, hopefully, on that between now and the end of July. Hopefully. We never know what's going to happen here. Life is chaotic at best. So I also got a project, and I think this is super cute. And I don't know. I love quilts and I love samplers. And I just thought this was so stinking cute. It's like a little seasons. So we've got summer, spring, autumn, and winter, kind of going around the map here, or going around the piece here. And I just thought that was so stinking adorable. And it's once again got that kind of rustic folk art kind of look to it. And I was kind of excited by it. So slide everything out, y'all. This is another printed cross stitch pattern. It's packaged slightly differently than the previous ones I'd gotten. So it's not huge. It's a reasonable sized project here. This one, it says 202 centimeters by 32 centimeters. Unfortunately, I am an American. We quit learning metric when I was in 2nd grade. But we do also have, when in doubt, the physical chart as well. So you can really see the seasons kind of pop in between that. We got summer, spring, winter, fall. Isn't that just so cute? We also have our key legend that tells us what colors each number is. Now I can't see for myself on the camera. I keep blowing the camera out. And this time we didn't get all the accessories. We got a set of needles. But our thread is beautifully on a card for us already, which makes it a little bit easier for me personally to keep these from tangling and getting messed up. So I'm very excited by that. And I love the way the colors lay out there. Just the visual interest of the colors. So yeah, what do you guys think? I'm very excited. I think this is super cute. I don't know. I really love folk art. It's one of those, I like kitschy things. Still feels heavy for some reason. I like kitschy things, but I don't like all kitschy things. So when I find something that's part of that like kitschy folk art, Americana kind of stuff that I really enjoy, I get very excited about it. And I saw this on the website and I was like, oh, that would be fun. That would be fun. So maybe for the summer, I can aim for like getting the gingerbread done gingerbread man done by maybe finishing him in July. And we can come back in the summer months and start working on the season sampler. What would be fun is if I did each season separately and make it a year-long project. But I will never keep up with it if I do that. So. Anyway, I will definitely come back and let you guys know what I think of the frame. Was it a little bit easier for me to hold? Was it a little bit easier to manage for me for an extended period of time? As it stands right now, I can only cross stitch for about 45 minutes to about an hour and 15 minutes before my hands start to fatigue holding the project. So anyway, I hope you guys are having a wonderful, fantastic day. The links for everything will be in the description box down below. I have direct links for the frame and a direct link to the project, as well as to 7 Great. Thank you so much, 7 Great, for asking if I would be willing to share again, because these are so much fun. Thank you so much, everybody, and I look forward to seeing you guys real soon. Bye, guys.